Okay, how's it going, guys? We have literally 1 minute until the CPI report comes in, and my main lines of reaction are the red lines on the ranges that I made, and then the black lines for potential bouncers to play. Now, most likely, we're going to get some sort of quick reaction when the speech comes out, if not a little bit after it, and I'm looking to catch that little wick, and I'll be making a trade. I'm already in a long position, guys, as you can see. Oh, here we go. Volume is kicking in right now. Here we go. We're already in a long position right now, by the way, from the very bottom of the trade. And I might take TP. Oh, this is interesting. I'm going to take TP, I think, at 17.075 maybe, and then potentially short. I'm not too sure yet. Okay, they haven't hit the TP yet. Let's see if they run it back down. Okay, they took all the stop losses, by the way. I might. Oh, here we go. There we go. There we go. I think. But no idea what I'm gonna do right here. We're still up quite good though. We're up 369% on our trade. I did think we were gonna get a flash dump, to be honest. The report hasn't come in yet for me, by the way. Oh, here we go. It's coming in now. Oh, very nice. 17,650. I'll take TP and I'll short. Okay, guys. 17,650. Please give me the 17,650. That's all I want. Here we go. Here we go. Nice, 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 nice. Come on, guys. Push up a little bit more higher and I'll take TP and I'll short. Holy fucking shit, guys. Come on. I need this. For some reason, here we go, guys. Here we go. Here we go. Okay, let me just do this. What are they doing over there in the next chat? Oh, here we go. I'm gonna take TP, guys. Full TP, I think, right here. Yep, I'm taking TP right now. There we go. 130 bagged in. I'm gonna take a short position at 17,650 right now, I think. Okay, I'm short, guys. I'm short right now, a little small position right now, okay? I do think that there's a possibility that we will go higher at 1760 for another little small stop hunt. On the 1 minute chart, we can see that we have this right here. If they do a little small pump like this, how the hell is that white? And then do the pass. Oh, here we go. Up $82 right now, guys. This is insane. Nice. TP, the black line, guys. Okay, I'm out anyways. That's $100 right there. I'm taking that. Nice. $100 out right now, just like that. I could have hold, but I'm not sure because 1760 has not been taken yet, so I'm not fully sure. By the way, where the hell is the CPI report? It's not even out. Yeah, fuck the CPI. We're changing our fucking technology. Okay, I think that's it for CPI, guys. I think we caught the very top. We also shot. We also longed the very bottom, and we took TP with a $100 trade right there, and now it's just consolidating, so I'm not really sure what to do. And yeah, we did take TP at the very bottom there, which is actually beautiful because now we'd only be like only a small amount. What is my extra chart saying to me? How many people are short in here? 9 million long position trapped in. Okay, here we go. We're gonna get another smaller push up, I think. Yep, here we go. 1760 reclaim. If it's strong, I'll short. If it's not strong, I'll just I'll size out. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Come on, 17. In fact, this kind of pattern right now, this kind of PA price action, actually indicates something I've just seen before. And if this does show bullishness, this is actually an area to long, even though it's a range high. I don't know. Also, 50-minute FVG hasn't been hit on Binance, so. Yeah. What the hell is the CPI, guys? Or am I just not seeing it? Oh, here we go. 0.6? I don't even know. Okay, we're getting a nice little push over now. 1760, guys. I'm opening the position at 1750 there. 17. Here we go. 1760. I got a small little trade. Okay, I TP'd half of that trade because the flash just came in very quickly right there. We only lost like $2. Doesn't really matter. This is a small little trade. So 1750 is flying. Yeah, this is what I'm saying. This is very risky right now. Okay. How many trades right now? 1.9 million to Tory top. Oh, I should have shot that bitch. Fuck. I should have put in a crazy position for that. All right, guys, TP in full right there. That's a $20 clutch. It's okay, so what happened, guys, is I basically, anything above here is oversold, overbought, sorry. And you want to TP on this red line here. This is the resistance, kind of. But now we're going down. I should have held it in, guys. So we're up $120 in like a space of 10 minutes. I have no idea now to long or short because all my levels have been hit. If this shows bullishness and strength, then you long. But then again, it's resistance, so this could dump. So ideally, I want to be making a trade for a retest in the future, and this will not be in this video, guys. All right. The chart looks a bit fucked up now. CPI report didn't even matter to us. We traded the chart itself. So fuck the numbers. I really don't even need them myself. But yeah, we can see that there's the 1.9 million shared long position at the very top. Guy's an idiot. We might come back to it. So yeah, overall now, guys, I think for CPI day, we're finished. We'll make a trade maybe later today, and we'll update you guys on some possible trades. Thank you for watching the video, guys.